Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking the viewer in. Open with a bold 5 to 10 second hook that promises a clear benefit or unanswered question. Once done, outline 3 to 5 beats so you never drift, promise, deliverable moments, and payoff. Make sure to prepare one concrete example and matching visual per beat to prove value quickly. This setup primes attention and starts watch time immediately. Do not waste early seconds on intros or credits. Move into the process right away. Once the hook and beats are live, sustain attention by chaining micro cliffhangers every 30 to 90 seconds. Tease the next payoff before delivering the current one. Vary pacing so the brain stays engaged. Alternate short energetic clips, a slower explanatory passage, and a compact visual demo. Make sure to layer subtle audio cues and on-screen motion to reorient wandering attention. This complex middle work keeps viewers invested because it balances reward timing with sensory variety and clear forward momentum. Finish by delivering the promised payoff in a concise, satisfying segment, then immediately recap the key value so viewers feel rewarded. Once done, offer one clear next step like a playlist, timestamp, or specific call to action to extend session watch time. If retention falls short, troubleshoot. Simplify your beats, tighten transitions, and remove any filler that dilutes curiosity. Make sure to test shorter hooks and chop slow sections. Small edits often restore watch time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.